Social media by Victoria Price. As defined by Lexical Dictionary, social media is defined as websites and applications that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. In this age of technology that we're living in, we have the world of the information at our fingertips. In this age, we can fact check almost anything. We can learn skills by looking it up on the internet or on YouTube, a form of social media. Any topic, any question we have, it can be answered for us. We have access to so much more information now than we ever have. For example, if I'm teaching my future learners about the metamorphosis of a caterpillar into a butterfly, I will now be able to more than show them pictures out of a book or through an activity, but they can actually watch a video and they can see the process for themselves. And then we can expand by doing a lesson on that in the classroom. When most people think of social media, they automatically think of Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. However, there are countless other social media platforms that are used for a variety of purposes. These purposes may be used to learn a new language or within a professional workplace, to connect business professionals. For this alone, there are various uses. Whether there are people seeking a career in a different field or teachers sharing ideas amongst other teachers, and really the list could go on and on. One-to-one computing ensures that all students have the skills for confidence to integrate technology into their future, as well as their present. In efforts to prepare my future learners for tomorrow's workplace, they will use personal devices to enhance their learning. As stated in the article, one-to-one laptop programs are no silver bullet. Technology alone cannot result in successful students. It is to be used as a learning tool, not the tool for learning. Therefore, my future students will not be dependent on the one-to-one personal devices in the classroom, as they will be of preschool age. However, as this is the way of the world, and even more so for the future, these students will learn how to properly use personal devices early on so that they may be proficient later. This graphic is from the Center for Educational Research and Innovation's 21st Century Children Project, and it highlights the technology usage in children from ages 3 to 15 years old. As you can see from the graphic, many of my future learners, which will be 3 to 5 years old, will already be exposed to technology and or social media outside of the classroom by the time they are in preschool. With this, I believe it is critically important to teach them how to use it appropriately and skillfully. As technology will almost certainly be tied to every job title in the future, we must teach our future learners how to be proficient with it. The integration of social media in the classroom. For example, in Montessori, if a child is particularly interested in a particular topic, we will feed their interest and find more lessons to put out in the classroom for them to further explore their interest. Imagine you have a child that is particularly interested in building or constructing things. With technology, we may introduce them to the Lego App 4 Plus, for example, in which this is an education-based robotics kit. The internet is an infinite resource that provides much more accessibility than it would for the teacher to order numerous robotic kits and set them out in the classroom. For example, having a personal device could improve their learning and comprehension of the subject and may help the child to understand how to construct more complex things in the future. Furthermore, as a final product, having an accessible device in the classroom will enhance the already amusing things my future learners will be doing.